Hello everyone, welcome back to Power BI 0 to Hero playlist. My name is Sandeep Raturi and in this video I will explain how to create a Power BI report wireframe. This is a very important topic. If you are a Power BI developer or working as a data analyst, you need to understand this. A Power BI report wireframe is a simple visual plan that outlines the report's layout, showing where visuals, tables, filters, and KPIs will be placed. It helps in designing a clear, user-friendly report by organizing content effectively. You can also share the wireframe with stakeholders or clients so they can add their requirement for the Power BI report. This helps both the developer and the stakeholders. Based on the wireframe, you can then design the main Power BI report. Power BI does not have a built-in wireframe tool, but you can create one using Microsoft Whiteboard, Miro Whiteboard, Canva, PowerPoint, Figma, or even a hand-drawn sketch. Now I will show you how you can search for the whiteboard. Go to the Google and search for whiteboard, and here you can see the list of whiteboard such as web whiteboard, Microsoft Whiteboard, free online whiteboard, Canva, Miro, and many more. Generally, most of the companies use Microsoft Whiteboard. By using these, you can easily share the whiteboard within your organization and you can use many features. However, for learning purposes, you can use any whiteboard tool. Here, I am using Miro whiteboard tool. Now, I will show you the whiteboard I have already created and will explain you how you can create this. First, you need to sign up on the website using your basic details. After that, you can create a whiteboard and start practicing. At the company level, they will provide a whiteboard with more features, allowing you to share it with your team members, manage access, save and download the whiteboards. But here I am not using a licensed whiteboard. However, you can use this whiteboard for practice. As you can see, I have created this whiteboard so that stakeholders or users can get an idea how the Power BI report layout will look. Now I will explain this wireframe to you. This is the header section of the report. Here I have placed the company logo, report title, or we can say that report header. In the filter section, I have added slicers such as region slicer, category and subcategory slicers. Next is KPI section. This section includes card visuals or KPIs like total sales, total profit, total discount and total customer count. Then we have main report visual section. This includes various charts and tables such as bar and column chart, line chart, pie chart, table or matrix and map visuals. The choice of visuals depends totally on the report requirements. In the footer section of the report, you can display the logged in user, name and mail ID, selected filter values and report last refresh date. This is the standard sequence for a Power BI report layout. However, you can modify it based on your report requirements and design preferences. For example, sometimes slicers are placed inside a bookmark button. When a user clicks the filter button, a screen opens with all slicers. So depends on the requirement, you will create the wireframe. Once you complete the wireframe development, you can share it with stakeholders or report users. They can review it and provide feedback if they want to add or remove any visuals or requirements. And after incorporating their feedback, you can request a sign off on the whiteboard. Once approved, you can proceed with the report development. Now I will show you how to create a wireframe. I am now opening a new whiteboard. Here you can provide the wireframe name sales dashboard wireframe, and on the left side you can see the various options such as pointer, templates, sticky note, text, shape and lines, and create freehand drawings. So to using these options you can create a wireframe. Now I will show you how these options will help you to create a wireframe. So let's suppose if you want to add any header or text in the wireframe, so you can choose the text. So select the text and click where you want to place it. So let's suppose here I want to add the header. So here you can mention the header name global superstore sales dashboard wireframe, and here you can see the font option, font size option. You can make it bold, italic and underline. You can also change the text color. Select the text like this, click on text color, and from here you can choose any color. And if you want to add the border for the Power BI report layout, so go to the shape and lines, and from here you can choose a square shape and select the area where you want to place it like this. So you can see here border has been ready for the Power BI report layout. Next we will add company logo and report heading. So for that you can use a sticky note. So click here and you can choose any sticky note for the logo. So let's suppose I am going with orange color. Click here and here you can mention this is the logo. For the report heading again we will add the text. So select the text and click here. This is the report header. Here you can also write the actual report header. For the slicer again you can choose shape. So we will choose again a square shape. So this is the slicer. Copy this and paste. So I need 3 slicer. Double click inside of the shape and here you can mention the slicer name. This is the region slicer. This is the category slicer and others. After that we will add KPIs. So again for KPIs we will use a sticky note. So choose any sticky note. Then we have second KPI. So for second KPI you can choose any other color or you can go with same color, and in same way you can add multiple sticky note depends on your KPIs. And double click on the note and here you can mention the KPI name. This is the total sales KPI. Second one is total profit. Third is total discount. And for the visual again we will use the sticky note. So just copy the sticky note and paste here, and by press and hold the corner of the sticky note you can increase the height and width for the sticky note. Again copy the same sticky note and paste here. So this is the region versus sales visual. For that we will use bar chart. Again this is the category wise monthly sales. For that we will use line chart, and last one is country wise sales data. For that we will use map visual. And in the footer section of the report you can show the information of logged in user, email ID, report last refresh date, and selected slicers value. So for that we will add text. So select the text or you can copy the existing text and paste here. So this is the first text box. So here we will show the selected slicers value. Copy this text and paste here and paste one more time. Here you can show the last refresh date, and here we will show the information of logged in user email ID. I created this wireframe quickly this time. I did not focus on design and alignment. My purpose was to show you how you can create a wireframe. You can follow proper alignment between the visuals and choose good colors and font sizes for the wireframe visuals. And again, the wireframe design layout will depends on the report requirement. That's all for this video. Hope you got the idea of how to create a wireframe and why it is required. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.